Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove or withdraw money from Telegram wallet. Guys, I'll walk you through transferring funds from your Telegram wallet to a bank account using a crypto exchange like Bybit. And it's easier than you think. Let's dive in. Open the Telegram app on your phone and tap the search bar at the top. Type wallet and select the official @wallet bot. Look for the verified checkmark. Tap Open to access your Telegram wallet. Ensure you have funds in your balance like USDT Tether, a cryptocurrency, not fiat USD. Telegram wallet doesn't support direct bank withdrawals, so you'll transfer USDT to an exchange, sell it for fiat, and then withdraw to your bank. For this example, we'll use Bybit, but Coinbase or Binance work too. If you don't have a Bybit account, go to bybit.com. Sign up with your email and verify your identity with an ID like a passport. In Telegram wallet, tap Send, then select External Wallet. Choose USDT from the currency list. You'll need a wallet address from Bybit. Open Bybit, log in and go to Assets. Deposit crypto. Select USDT, then pick a network. TON, the Open Network, or TRC20 are common options. For this guide, choose TON. Copy the wallet address Bybit provides. Back in Telegram wallet, paste the Bybit wallet address into the external wallet field. Select the same network, TON, you chose on Bybit to avoid errors. Tap Continue, enter the amount to send, say 50 USDT, and check the transaction fee, usually $1 to $2. Tap Continue again, confirm the transfer, and wait a few minutes for it to reach Bybit. Check Bybit's assets to confirm the USDT deposit. On Bybit, go to Assets, select the USDT in your spot account, and click Sell. Choose to sell for fiat, like USD, and confirm the amount. The funds will move to your Bybit fiat wallet. Now go to Withdraw Fiat. Select your bank account, add it if needed with your account number and bank details, and enter the withdrawal amount. Submit the request. Withdrawals take 1 to 3 days depending on your bank. Unique tip: set up Bybit's 2FA, two-factor authentication, via an app like Google Authenticator to secure your account during withdrawals. If the transfer fails, double-check the wallet address and network match between Telegram wallet and Bybit. Ensure your Bybit account is verified, as unverified accounts may face withdrawal limits. If funds don't appear, check Bybit's transaction history or contact their support at support.bybit.com. For Telegram wallet issues, message at Wallet's support team. By the way, if you want a more flexible option for withdrawals, I recommend Wise. I use it myself. You can send money to bank accounts, spend with a free debit card, or shop online with their virtual card. Best part: if you sign up with the link in the description, your first transfer of up to $800 is completely free. It's one of the smartest ways to move money without the high fees.